Update about Nnamdi Kanu's court outing today. DSS denies role in Kanu's arrest in Kenya as the case of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu continues. First, court admits 1 billion judgment as evidence. Second, DSS denies role in Kanu's arrest in Kenya. Third, judge cautions defense team. And of course, IPOB demands for transparency. We'll be going through this one after the other. On May 21st, 2025, the Federal High Court in Abuja continued the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of indigenous people of Biafra. First, 1 billion judgment admitted. The court officially admitted into evidence a 2022 judgment from ABIA State High Court. That judgment awarded Nnamdi Kanu 1 billion naira in damages after the military invaded his home in 2017. His legal team brought it in as evidence to show that the government violated his rights before, and that could support their argument that this current case is politically motivated or unlawful. The judge, Justice James Omotosho, accepted the judgment into evidence as of today. Secondly, DSS testimony on Kenya's arrest. A witness from the DSS, identified as BBB, told the court that the DSS had no role in Kanu's arrest in Kenya back in 2021. He said their operations are limited to Nigeria territory, suggesting that the arrest and extradition weren't coordinated by the DSS, which raises question about who was responsible. Then, thirdly, the judge warned against delays. The judge also cautioned Kanu's defense team today. He warned them not to waste time and said the trial needs to move forward without unnecessary delays. That's a signal that the court wants this case resolved more quickly. Then, IPOB's demand. Meanwhile, the IPOB is pushing for the trial to be live streamed. They say Nigerians deserve to see what's going on and that public access could restore confidence in the justice system, but the federal government is against it, saying it would compromise national security. So this is the basic thing that actually happened today in the court. Then also, during today's court session in Abuja, Justice James Omotosho cautioned Nnamdi Kanu's special counsel, Aloy Jimako, regarding the dissemination of trial updates on social media platforms. The judge emphasized that such public disclosure could potentially prejudice the proceedings and urged the defense team to exercise discretion in their communication. This warning follows the defense's active engagement with the public through social media and press briefing, where they have shared details about the trial and related legal actions. The court's concern centers on maintaining the integrity of the judicial process and ensuring that the public commentary does not influence or disrupt the court proceedings in any way. So, Justice Omotosho's admonition serves as a reminder of the importance of confidentiality and professionalism in the legal proceedings, particularly in a high-profile case as such. Both the defense and prosecution are expected to cleave strictly to courtroom protocols and avoid action that could compromise the fairness of the trial. A little brief on what transpired during the cross-examination of the witness. Defense counsel, that is Nnamdi Kanu's counsel, you said he incited people to burn properties in Lagos. The witness too answered yes. Defense counsel now asks, how many buses were burnt? What are their plate numbers? What are the model of the buses? At least, what is the name of one person who took part in burning those buses? The witness answered, I do not know. I am not aware. Then the SAN, defense counsel, asks again, you mentioned the burning of high courts and airports. Can you tell us the names of those who burnt any of these properties? Then the witness answered, I do not know. I only know they followed his order. Defense counsel, you said police stations were burnt in Ebonyi and Enugu. What are the names of these police stations? The witness now answered, I don't know, defense counsel. Then defense counsel, are you aware that Right General T.Y. Danjuma at the point argued Nigerians to defend themselves? Witness, I'm aware, but I can't remember his exact words. Then defense now asks again, are you aware that the Director General of DSS, Adeola Ajayi, also told Nigerians to defend themselves? Witness now answered, I am not aware. Defense now asks again, the DG made this remark in Azare community where the community fought back and killed many Boko Haram terrorists. Is it not the same thing the defendant was saying in the broadcast, that when someone wants to kill you, kill them? The witness now answered. So the witness now answered, I'm not aware, but what I know is that Nnamdikanu's broadcast is not about self-defense. So the defense seek adjournment to play some videos to the court. Prosecution objected to the adjournment, but it was later granted as the court was adjourned to Thursday, May 22nd, 2025. The judge also said he won't tolerate any more adjournment after tomorrow, or he will rule the case concluded. So guys, thank you for watching, as I would continue to update you.